Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your Twitter profile to Science and Technology on PC. Let's walk through the straightforward steps to give your profile a tech-savvy touch. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile settings where you can make the desired adjustments. Next, find the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to access the profile editing options. Scroll down and click on Edit Professional Profile to access more detailed profile settings. Now, click on Category to specify the type of profile you desire. Search for Science and Technology and select it to align your profile with this category. Once you've chosen Science and Technology, remember to click on Save to apply the changes to your Twitter profile. Congratulations! You have successfully switched your Twitter profile to Science and Technology on PC. Your profile now reflects your interest in the latest advancements and innovations in the field. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your online presence. Happy tweeting!